I mean, it's amazing. As an actor going to a writers' conference, this is it been incredible because as an actor, like, I get so many scripts constantly, some better than others. And so just hearing things from the writer's perspective and hearing sort of what goes into it and how scripts are crafted and all of the different facets that go into creating these incredible scripts, it's been awesome. And I feel like it's so important as an actor to understand all the different facets. Like, it's so important to understand the writing elements. It's so important to understand the directing elements and the editing elements. I mean, it's my job to know everything, not so much the producer elements, but no, yes, the producer elements, because also just like writing, as I heard in a panel the other day, it's so much about not waiting for permission. It's about writing and creating your own things. And anyway, as an actor, you have to do the same thing. And I can't pass this microphone along without talking about the scooters, because the electronic scooters are incredible, and I just tried one, and I was weeing all the way down the street. Anyway, I only stopped talking when this interview started. But otherwise, the people have been some of the most warm, generous, kind people I've ever met. So it's been a real treat.
It's been fantastic. It's our world premiere. Like, this is, we literally last night had our world premiere, which was amazing, and an engaged audience, and they laughed when they were supposed to laugh, and I think there was an emotional response from them, and so it was one of those things like coming to Austin. I've never been to Austin, and being here for the festival for our world premiere has been I'm just so grateful to be here. The people are warm and open, and there's no pretension, there's no ego. You just you go up and you talk to people, and they want to talk to you. They're interested in meeting you and having conversations and just opening that dialogue. And so it's a very receptive audience and group of filmmakers that are here, and it's a wonderful experience.